In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Dialogflow responses. We'll walk through adding an image to an intent so your bot can return a visual response on supported platforms. To get started, open your web browser and search for Dialogflow. Select the official Dialogflow console from the results to head into the workspace. Sign in with your Google account so you can access your projects. If you have more than one project, make sure you're in the one tied to your agent. Once you're in, go to the Intents section on the left. Intents are the building blocks of your bot's behavior. Each one represents what the user is trying to do. Choose the intent where you want the image to appear. This might be a product info intent, a help intent, or anything else you've already set up. Scroll down to the Responses area. This is where you define what your agent sends back when the intent matches. You might already see text responses here. We're going to enhance that by attaching an image so it renders nicely for the user. Next, add a platform-specific response tab by clicking the plus icon next to the default tab. Pick the channel where the image should display, such as Google Assistant or Facebook Messenger. Platform tabs ensure your content is formatted exactly how that channel expects, which is especially important for rich responses like images. If you use multiple channels, you can add a tab for each one you plan to support. Now click Add Responses and choose either Basic Card or Image. Basic Card is a richer container that can include a title, descriptive text, and buttons along with the image. Image is a simpler option that sends just the picture. Choose the one that best matches the experience you want. Provide a publicly accessible image URL. This must be a direct link that any user can reach, ideally over HTTPS, and it should point to a standard image format such as JPG or .png. Avoid private or permission-gated links, as those won't render for end users. Hosting the image on a reliable CDN or a public bucket helps with speed and availability. Then add optional accessibility text, sometimes called alt text. This is a short description of the image that assists screen readers and also serves as a fallback in some clients. Keep it concise and descriptive. That's it. Your intent will now include an image response for the selected platform, while your default text reply remains intact. Dialogflow typically saves changes automatically, but make sure everything is updated before you close. When you trigger this intent through your chosen channel's simulator or integration, you should see the image appear as part of the response.